Hey folks, AJ the CEO here, and we are back here at Greater Works Christian Fellowship to do something a little bit different. We got this back TV here and everything that we've installed here before, but what we're going to do is install a front stage display, but it's actually going to be right here. And we're going to be using one of these floor TV stands that I saw about before, and just show you how that is. And see, we got somebody in here cutting up already. But we're gonna be here. Really, it's just a stand. It's gonna be an extension from Presenter, and it's just gonna be fed up here to the front. So let me go get my tools, and then we gotta get some stuff to go through a brick wall, and we just show you the whole process. So let's go. All right, so I got this little rolling mount that will let the TV, I think it goes up to 65, but it can hold the TV right there in the front. And we're going to use the same Velcro wire covers that we used at Signs and Wonders. Going to run the cable all the way back, and then we got to punch through that brick wall for HDMI cable and power. So for you, this is only going to take a second, but let's go ahead and put this together. All right, there it is. We're all done. So let's go ahead and get the wires, and we go from there. Now, a much bigger TV would be my suggestion, but hey, we're just using what we got, and we can easily switch those out. Those are all the bolts. So at this point, we're going to run those cables up under the chairs here, cut over a little bit, so that we don't come through here. We want to come through in here and go into the media. So I'm going to drill a hole down there. Having the right bit on your hammer drill makes a world of difference. So we are through. That hole is big enough for the HDMI cable and the power cable. So I know I forgot my vacuum, but let's run the cables here. I'm going to put a plate over here as well. But let's run the cables and then go from there. All right, it's doing this update thing. We got the Velcro strip hiding all the cables, going all the way to the back. Now I need to get the vacuum to clean up that, but come over here. And now this needs to be connected to the computer. I thought they had a extra HDMI out. So we gotta figure that out. Alrighty, all done. There it is. And she's being cut out of the camera on purpose. So there it is. So
okay, AJ.
see.
I'm back.
So we got
coming back again.
So we got the cables ran back there. And get this Velcro zip tie. Got it coming up there. And I'm gonna zip tie the extra. And it's connected. Now, what else? Telling Pastor Alicia what needs to happen is get a USB to HDMI adapter here so that you can have a separate connection, because this is going to the ATEM so that everybody else in the house would see it, but now this is going directly to the TV in the front. So in Presenter, it will act as a stage display. All right, that was a pretty relative simple install, especially you get the right stuff to go through. This ain't nothing but straight center block, 2 layers of center block, but able to cut through that perfectly fine. But have a link down below to everything I use for this, mainly the stand. I really wanted to use that stand before, so we got a chance to use it. So anyway, you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell, that way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. Catch you on the next video. Later.